Today, we're exploring a super cool new feature on Instagram: adding music to your notes. This is a game changer for expressing yourself and setting the mood, so let's dive in and see how it works. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Then, head over to your messages and tap icon on your profile picture. This opens the notes creation screen. Write your note like you usually would, sharing your thoughts, feelings, or any update you want. Now, here's where the magic happens. Tap the music note icon at the bottom of the screen next to the emoji button. This is where you'll find your soundtrack. You can browse by genre, artist, or song title, or use the search bar to find a specific tune. Remember, you can only add music from Instagram's library, so let's explore what they offer. Once you find a song you love, tap it to preview a snippet. Instagram lets you add up to 30 seconds of music, so use the sliders to select the perfect snippet that matches your note's vibe. Want the catchy chorus? A chill verse? Go for it. Tap Done to add the music, then share your note with the world. Just like regular notes, it'll live for 24 hours and disappear, taking your chosen soundtrack with it. Keep in mind that this feature is still rolling out, so it might not be available to everyone just yet. Keep your app updated to get it as soon as possible. And that's it. Adding music to your Instagram notes is easy and fun. Go out there, express yourself, and let the music flow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.